So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'm going to be doing up here. So first you're going to expand HK local machine. Now you're going to expand system. And now we're going to expand control set 001. Now we're going to expand control. Now you're going to find the Windows folder. I want to make this a bit bigger. We're now going to scroll down till we find Windows. Here it is. You're going to click on Windows. And now this will appear on the right side. And then once you're on this, you're going to find CSD version. Double click on it. And then once this comes up, you're going to make the value data 100. You're going to make this 100 and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that you have both net frameworks turned off. You want to untick 3.5 and 4.8. You want to untick both of these and then click on OK. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, it should now allow you to install Net Framework 4.7.2. If you can't, then you just want to restore your computer. And then it should now let you install it when you come back into Windows.